Hi, my respected friends. Whenever the numbers came from 20 to onwards, after that they will give us the best numbers for the next draw. Please look at carefully. This is for the next draw of Mahzooz, which is trying on 27th August 2022. And first time when numbers came from 20 to onwards, you can see the number came 6. Second time you can see when numbers came from 20, the first number came is 9. Third time you can see when numbers came from 20, the first number came is 1. Now it's fourth time the numbers came from 20 to onwards. According to this routine, 6, 9, 1 and 4. In the numbers world, these are the family numbers. In first draw you can see the 6th number came from here. Then second time 9 number came from here. Third time 1 number came from here. Now remaining number is 4. In our upcoming draw, this number 4 is best number according to this routine. Let's go to the next routine, friends. The number 12, 17, 21 and 26. These are also family numbers. On the attraction basis, you can see in the first draw, the 26 number came. After that, 26 number came. In second draw, the 17 number came from here. In first time 26, then second time 17. In third draw you can see the number came was 12. Here is also remaining number only one, that is 21. 21, 4 and 21, the golden numbers for the upcoming draw of Mahzooz. These both numbers are best numbers. You can select both numbers if you like, but you like the number from these number, you can select also. You should select one number from here and one number from here. According to the past history, the best numbers are 4 and 21. This is the number 1 routine. Now the second routine is same. Whenever, friends, you can see in recent 3 numbers came in the result in 3 serials, like 36, 37, 38. 3 numbers came in 3 serials. After that you can see the number came is 14. Second time when 3 numbers came in 3 serials, again the numbers came in the result 19. You already know that 14, 4 home figure is 19. These are the same numbers, family numbers, 14, 19. So second time 19 came. In third time you can see when 3 numbers came in 3, again the number came is 14. 14, then 19, again 14. Now it's 4 time. 3 numbers has came in our previous result, 30, 37 and 39. According to this routine, the turn is 19 is best number. You can also select 14 if you like, but powerful number for this try is 19. So I am giving you 3 things. Number 1 is you can select one number from here, 1, 6, 9 and 4. You can select one number from here, first number, the 4 number is powerful. Next is 12, 17, 26 and 21. You can select one number from here. The powerful number is 21. The powerful number is 21. And third one is 14 and 19. You can select one number from here. The powerful number is 19. 4, 21 and 19. These are powerful numbers, but if you like from other numbers you can select also. Okay friends, so this is my efforts for you. If you like you can select, if you don't like you can leave it. Wait for my final prediction video for Mahzooz draw. So in the end, good luck to all and goodbye.